Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on Candy MTV. So today it's kind of not a very good day where I am, so this will probably be a kind of short video, but I think we're going to do quite a bit of building today. Maybe we'll do a bit of riding, but mostly building. So yeah, it's going to really start to get rainy, windy, bad weather soon, so trying to get a video out, so make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this video.
Kick.
Okay, Sam, how's it going? Digging.
Good.
Digging process.
I broke my arm from digging. I have a massive blister.
Yeah, he has a blister.
So
Hugh's just mining because this dirt is so hard. And then we're also here with Joel, who's filling up our Vans box. Sorry if that wasn't the bestest of the time lapse, but I couldn't get any good angles, so I'll try to get a better one soon. But this is how it's going. Alright, so it just stopped randomly, so this is how it's going. It's not that steep yet, but it's looking... Alright, it just keeps stopping for some reason. Sorry.
just give it
It's got a little angle to come up and into where Thomas is, basically, around that area. Harry's here too, and Jacob. Hi. 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 Alright, so we're building it up a bit. Gonna make it bigger. I just said if we're gonna make it bigger. So yeah, back to the building, back to time lapses. I'm thinking of getting lots more dirt so we can make it humongy with Jackie. Yeah, humongy. So Sam's got his bucket over here and his shovel, getting some premium dirt.
Yeah.
Holy these
Family
nuts.
friendly.
Holy these nuts. Holy these nuts in your mouth.
In your mouth.
Alright, so we'll get another time lapse and we'll be back. Alright, Jack's still going at it. Got Lloydie getting lots of buckets of dirt. It's way bigger now. It's on a better angle to go into the little slope. Jack's doing some great work here. Got lots of dirt on the back. It's going to be very strong, don't you think, Jack?
Yeah, stronger than actually.
Stronger than that?
Yeah, stronger than that.
Yeah, definitely.
Stronger the better.
Yeah. Right. Update soon. Well, probably like 3 seconds in the actual video, but it's fine. Alright, so we're doing an update right now. It's coming along. Quite a bit more packing to do, but I think we'll get there, make this jump really nice. As you can just see, the boys are doing some of the other jumps.
Fat trains.
Yeah, so it's looking good, but it's making the lip a bit stronger and better. And then we're gonna ride it hopefully, maybe later if we can, if the rain doesn't come soon. So yeah, we'll give you an update soon. About to do a quick train with Eli. on these 2 jumps, and then the RC car is coming down, and Eli made a bet that there's like a tree trunk at the end of one of the jumps. I'm saying 30 meters maybe, and they think they can jump it with the RC car. They think they can jump 30 meters off the jump. So, well, that'll be fun to watch. So stay tuned. Right, yeah, okay, I'll go first. Dropping! Dropping! Oh, I'm in the Loki.
Come on, Candyman.
Oh, I was in such a low gear. Oh, this is the tree trunk there. Mate, I was in such a bad gear. I'm gonna do that again. So that's a tree trunk there. And they think they can get it from the jump that's up there. Don't know how they're gonna do that. Even the rain starts still going. Let's do this. Come on, Dada. RC car's here. We're back. Got the RC car. John's here. Look at it, base. Look at this. Oh, it's got that like 3-inch wheels. Aim under. It's underground. Look at that. He's about to send this round to that tree stump. Yeah, Millie in trouble. Let's go. Oh, he's done like a quadruple front flip. Wait, gotta clean the camera. Okay, let's have a look at this.
Wait, yeah, this is the bad battery.
Oh, is it?
Did you bring cars? No.
Alright, so we'll get them sending it in just a quick second. We need this underwater. The jumps are getting soaked, so we need to put something over that. No, you don't, because remember it was raining last night. So this jump's now soaked.
Yeah, the rain really started coming down.
Yeah, Saz has been working hard still. Archie's about to go at it. Still going, Jack's here. Okay, and we're about to send the RC car soon.
Because the wheel came off.
Because the wheel came, yeah.
Yeah.
What he said.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got some true riders still going at it. Jacob's about to send it with us. Right, let's go. Dropping! Little drift. Okay, we're about to film the RC car. Alright, so RC car's broken now. Lloyd and Sam just eating. Oh, gotta clean the camera. That's better. Jack's just, it's raining again. If you can see that, yeah, it's pouring. It's even coming through the trees, which is annoying. But we're just gonna chill here for a bit. Who's that? Is that Thomas? Yeah, Thomas.
Boys are going at it.
Yeah, boys still going at it. Harry's digging a trench behind the hole that we get dirt from. Joel's got some dirty hands.
I'm gonna go hit it again.
Okay, I'll follow you, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, we'll hit it. I might go to 9 actually. Right, so I'll follow Eli in and I'm gonna go. It's so Hanan? Yeah. Where are we about to send? Drop it! Oh my god! Right, Eli's coming in. Straight into there. Oh no, didn't hit it. Jack, did you ask? Just took off on my bike. Epic! Alright, getting an update. They're still going at it. Pretty epic.
But it's trying to make it bigger.
Yeah, they're trying to make it bigger. Put a bucket on top. Got all the boys working hard. Yeah, all of them. Yeah, trust the process.
To dry?
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like I'm.
Alright, let's go have a look at Lloyd. Working hard over here. Oh, there's Lloyd. What's this? They're twins.
Right.
So, I mean, they might.
Ready? Watch this. I'm gonna go into it real hard.
Let's have a look.
Tell them about the process.
So
The process is. You tell them. Yeah, I'll tell them. So you get like a minor kind of, because this step's really hard to grab with shovels. So you like, we're gonna go get a big grab, like get it all. Yeah, we actually nice and loosened, and then the big shovels come and pick it up, and then we move it over there
into the jump.
Then we push it. Then we
Jack, don't eat the dirt again. Alright, so get an update soon. It's getting kind of big now, which is really nice.
Look at this.
You know, here, let's do like, look at this. Oh, he's coming up the jump, up the fat table whip, into the landing, and then he comes down into that jump. How was that for you? That was pretty epic. Pretty epic. Alright. Pretty steezy weezy.
We call this face man.
It's kind of swag.
Yeah. When it dries, that's gonna be.
It's gonna be like crusty, like it's just gonna be so crusty, bro.
Should we leave it for it to dry?
I mean, no, you have all that dirt at the back to use.
Yeah, but should we leave that?
Oh yeah, leave that to dry. I guess.
So good.
Yeah, that's actually so good, isn't it, Jack?
So good.
Ah, you got the camera all dirty. Oh, doesn't do anything. Who? You're tired of digging? Yeah. Right.
Andy, take a photo.
Kill yourself. Don't hold.
Don't move. Andy.
I might stop it there. Day 2, the MTB. Day 2. Yeah. Yep. Day 2.
Just gonna.
We're building up the jumps. We got some 6-year-olds rolling the jumps.
Not ideal.
No.
Yeah, we're just gonna make them a bit
Yeah.
better.
We have to make them better now that there's the 6-year-olds that come here now that roll them. To be honest, it's probably those kids in the background.
Hi guys.
Yeah, there's those kids. I know them.
Yeah.
Edward, you actual. Oh, God. Don't do that.
See you in
Right,
the clips.
Yep. See you in the clips. Alright, so this is the other jump that those 6-year-olds were rolling, which is annoying because now I have to fix it. And because of all the rain, it's a bit hard to keep up now. Even when we're in spring, I think that's the one they're in. It's kind of annoying. So, yeah, I'll come look at the hip now. Hip's looking really nice. Kind of want to get it on a bit more of an angle, but it's looking pretty good. So, give you an update soon. Oh, it's not the best. It's pretty good though. It just needs to dry out a bit, I think. Dry out a bit, I think. Oh yeah. Right. Go.
You're not filming. Okay. Hey guys, it's your boy Jack, and today we're gonna be going on some sick jumps. Let's get it. You should have done the mouth.
You should have done the mouth thing.
Yeah, I figured I should.
Getting a little bit of sun on the jumps here. Kind of going in nicely. Got the hip over here. The boys are like building a bike now. They've never done it before, but like, they're just gonna send them to do it. Alright, we're gonna get a bit more work in. Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, you should have seen that, the trench that we made.
Oh yeah, there's a big. You want to see our trench?
Yeah, all morning I've been
Oh wait, where'd the water go?
Yeah, I got a bunch of buckets. I took all of it out.
Oh really?
Yeah, I did all of it by myself.
Damn, bro. It was like up to the brim.
It would help. It would help me a bit, but yeah, I did. Don't play around.
You're coming with me, okay?
Okay.
What do you think of the jumps? We didn't interview.
Bro, they're sick like cream. Right, look at this jump. That's a little hip. You go like this, and now you're gonna go here. We call this. Can I tell them what the jump's name?
Yeah, you can tell them.
This one's called boner. What's this one called?
Hip.
Hip? No, that's a bad name.
Yeah,
that one's called Barbara.
Yeah,
one to the right. That one's pretty.
We should
Oh,
probably.
I can't swear. Just blur it out.
I will. You need to fix. We need to fix this.
Yeah,
name.
it's pretty.
This one,
No,
yeah.
it's good. It's just the back that's gone.
No. I mean the name.
Oh, now boner's a good one.
Yeah, fine. Whatever. All right. Give you an update in like 3 seconds. Bye. About to hit the hip on Joel's bike. Nice dirt jumper. Pretty nice. Do it on the helmet as well, so get 2 angles. Hey Joe, watch out! Okay, dropping. Oh, that was nice. Oh yeah, baby. How about the hub? Oh no! Big puddles. That actually felt so good though. Like, that's insane. Can be better, but like, it's pretty good. I'll get one on the helmet now, so, yeah, sorry. Right, hitting it on the helmet. The helmet on.
Oh, Andy, full back.
Oh, no. Oh, again. All right, well, sorry if that wasn't the best. I might do it again, but I'll have to have a look, so yeah. So I'm doing it again since that wasn't the best, so make sure to subscribe as well, by the way, if you've made it this far. Oh yeah, that was better. Yeah, that was nice. Alright, well, I'll try to get someone to film me on the hip. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That's probably gonna do it for the video today. Toby, you have anything to say?
Like and subscribe. Subscribe to MVP.
Angie did a better one than
Alright,
that.
is that all?
Yep.
Yep. Alright. Bye. Thank you.